Come with us, we are going to the waterfalls.
My baby, my Valentine. Can I hit the make you with temperature there? If you leave me a good time, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Loving you, bothering me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your heart.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. To all the new subscribers, karibuni sana. To all returning subscribers, guys, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Sharima Bahati and I do content based on fashion, lifestyle. Yeah, I know it's been a minute. I know, guys, I know, and I apologize. Always say I'm gonna be consistent on YouTube and then hakuna consistency. Currently I'm from shooting a video of this is not a PR, guys. So I was shooting for these pads. They're having a giveaway. The person with the most likes is gonna get a new phone. I'm gonna link my video on my description box. Please go like this video. We only have like about, from now, I think 2-3 weeks. 3 weeks if I'm not wrong, or less. Siko na vitu mingi nilikuwa nataka kuambia. I just wanted to update you guys because guess what? You're a girl. Msichana wenu anaenda staycation peke yake. Mse peke yangu. So I'm going to be going all the way to Tharaka Nithi County. That is in Meru, if I'm not wrong. Nikifika huko nitawaonesha hiyo place because hadi mimi I'm a bit skeptical. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is my first outside of Nairobi brand that I'm working with. So unajua zingine ziko pata Nairobi, you have to confirm, but I've confirmed everything and I'm going to be traveling tomorrow. Guys, hii ni mara yangu ya kwanza kwenda mahali peke yangu. I'm a bit shy, I'm not going to lie, but I'm going to make the best out of it. I want to take you guys with me. So sai as we speak, when my man nimetoka kushoot, so I wanted to pack and I wanted to pack with you guys, and also I'm going to try and do like a day or two with me for a solo date. I'm going to try because naona nikipack kesho asubuhi hapo ndajicheza, wallahi si mchezo, hapo ndajicheza. So I just need to be like ready, nijue just only 2 days and I want to go shoot content there, but I'm not sure, but I might just carry a few outfits to shoot huko, at least nikuwe na content. So last week, guys, I wanted to tell you guys nilikuwa na bulk shoot. I wanted to shoot for you guys, but yeah, space inakataa. So lazima ni decide kama nita shoot vlog ama nita bulk shoot ndio nijue. So niki bulk shoot, ni edit, nizi schedule, I can now like do for you guys a vlog. So because now, guys, your girl has been very consistent on Instagram. Go check that out. Pia nimekuwa very consistent on Instagram. Siku nataka kuongea sana. Yeah. So before ni change, because I wanted to head out, but before ni toke kwanza, let me shoot that because it's still lighting, and pia nipange what I'm going to be carrying kwenda kushutia huko. At least all my equipment zote zikuwe ready. Tuanze. So guys, jana nilikuwa nimeenda walk, but sikutembea sana. Nilitembea like 1 hour 15 minutes and 21 seconds. Watch yangu ya Oraimo, ndio kila kitu. Only walked like 65 steps, but leo nataka nitembee nione kama hapa tutafikisha like 10k. Tufikishe 10k. Ukilong press una save. Yeah. Unaona? Hadi ina count hizi vitu zote. So guys, in case you want, sija connect saina app. That's why inaoneshana hivi. But in case you want, unacheki hadi na kuonesha moto hapa kama iko karibu kuisha ucharge. I'm going to, these are shirts and then these are shorts. If I give you my time, can you search my soul from it? Guys, venye mmeona, so sahi nataka kuzipack nizeke kwa suitcase. Sitaweza kuwashutia YouTube na bado ni shoot Instagram, so I'm just going to add the reel that I'm going to make. I'm just going to put it here. Wapenzi, karibuni sana to yet another monthly solo date, and this time round we are going to be going all the way to Tharaka Nithi County. Come with me, let me show you around. Ama make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me harder, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me harder, make me sweat, make head over to my Instagram uweze kuona the place and everything, but still nitawaonesha hapa as I've said guys. So before simu yangu izime juko karibu kuzima, let me do a reel for packing with me, and then I'll talk to you guys tomorrow in the morning as I'm heading out. The river guys, I think I'll show you guys in the morning, so stay kupiga makelele, but yeah, it's a tent guys.
You want to play me, but when I day with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime.
And good morning. Yeah guys, so as I told you yesterday guys, I think we didn't talk when nilifika. I'm in Meru County guys. No, I'm in Meru but in Tharaka Nithi County. Look it. Yeah guys, so I wanted to show you guys Mali Tuko. This place is called PACHA Waterfront. You guys yesterday, I'm going to take you guys with me. Unasikia hiyo background? Msee hakunyeshi, ni it's like a river, a flowing river. Tunaenda ku have breakfast huko, nitawaonesha guys. I just wanted to take like a few photos. Sijui kama itakuwa possible before breakfast ianze, but I want to do that right now guys. So here is where we're sleeping hapa, and let me tell you guys, this place looks beautiful. Wacha nikitoka huko nje nitawaonesha guys, but the whole concept of this place is like a luxury camp sort of, and ooh, it looks nice. Importantly, I'll make sure I'll leave the link to my Instagram hapo chini so you guys can be able to see this place. Hata nitaacha link yao mwende mwa follow Instagram. You can book. It's only 2,500 per night. Imagine unakuja tu Meru and then you have a good time. You can come here as a solo trip. You can come here as couples. You can come here as friends. It's a very chilled place na kumetulia sana. Imagine in the morning it was raining, sahi hakunyeshi. I think I have already done for you guys a quick tour about like everything. Hata kama kwenye tunalala huku nilionyesha jana usiku, juu tulifika usiku sana. We didn't anticipate for hiyo time yenye tulikuwa tumetoka tutafika the right time. Make sense? Tulicheza na masaa. Yeah guys, so today I was only here for 2 nights. So yesterday and today, and then we are leaving tomorrow. So I'll try my level best. Today tunaenda kuona waterfall. I'll take you guys with me. We see that here. Wacha ni shoot and then tutaongea baadaye.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. Is my secret safe? Safe with just you and me. We can leave a trace.
Guys, Chandri. Hi guys, so we are going to the waterfall right now. Ndio tunangoja kila mtu agather and then tuende pamoja. Simu zetu hazina moto, so if in case this goes off, yeah, so tuende and then I'll talk to you guys. Hakuna vitu mingi tunafanya sahi. You also, I had changed. This is the outfit that I have on. Tuendeni waterfall and then nitawaonesha tukifika huko guys. Sahi siwezi wabeba kwa sababu ya moto.
This is my favorite new stay. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still
with us. We are going to the waterfalls. Yeah, but hii kitu ni very scary. No way watu wanapandanga hizi vitu. So ukikuja huku unavaa like very closed shoes because yo
Storm's got some hits, boy.
Too short to my give me the bell. Too short you walk on my table. Straight forward and look at the get let go. Yeah, yo, go say bill. 247 me a day, yo. You know some you do for take yo. Mungo na ori me day, yo. Can't do. Maduro, can't do. What's the best notice and yo? I've been active, I jam me sadio. You don't want to do one sadio. Hey, if me a check, I die yo. I you call low, I go sayo. Oh man, I'm active.
Hey Ricky. I get together with the trouble you. She just a bust my brain. You say she want my shit like it. You twist my brain. Yeah, you sweet lost.
So ndio tuna check out sai. So I just wanted to give you guys a small update. I think I'm going to have a sit down guys with you nikifika home, of which hiyo ndio itakuwa a bit easier for me because sai tuna run na time. Juu ukiachwa na gari itatena umengoja, you have to pay tena. So wacha tutoke sai and then I'll give you guys updates tukifika home. Yeah. So I really enjoyed my stay here. I'm not going to lie guys. So I'm going to leave details of this place hapo chini kwa description box. At least you can get to know more about this place, how you're going to book your stay and everything. Even the activities that are gonna be here. I'm going to try my level best and maybe put hapa niwaoneshe activities zenye wako nazo, ama check out my Instagram za kupata details zote za hii place. Yeah guys, so let's head out and then I'll talk to you guys when I get to Nairobi. So yeah. Tulikuwa tumesimama for a minute stop over. I have gotten nimebuy hii apple ginger boost shot. Sijui ni nini but tujaribu tuone kama itawaka.